To fix a basement drain that is not draining, it is essential to identify the root cause of the issue. A clogged basement drain or a clogged main sewer line are common reasons for this problem. To address the issue, start by unclogging the basement drain. Begin by locating the drain cover and removing it. Wear rubber gloves to protect your hands. Then reach into the drain to remove any debris that may be causing the blockage. Next, pour a pot of boiling water into the drain and wait for 15 minutes. After that, use a plunger, placing its cup directly over the drain, and give it several strong plunges. If this method does not work, it may be necessary to call a professional plumber. In some cases, the main sewer line may be clogged, and a professional plumber will need to be hired to inspect and remove the obstruction. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a basement drain that is not draining.